What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the Clear Cryptos educational channel. My name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. And of course, you know, I got my man Jay Shields with me. What's going on, brother? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. And Crypto.com recently listed a token in the Shiba ecosystem by the name of Bone. This particular token has been running up like crazy over the last 2 or 3 months, and it's no surprise that Crypto.com listed them. However, in this story that we're going to read, I think Crypto.com may be trying to get a nice chunk of the ecosystem. So, Justin, go ahead and take us through the story, and we'll react to it live.
Yeah, so Crypto.com buys 2.16 million Bone tokens ahead of Shibarium. Crypto.com is currently the 10th largest holder of Shibarium, of Bone. Sorry, not Shibarium, of Bone. Since March 2nd, the popular exchange has purchased 2.16 billion tokens worth $2.33 million. Bone will be the governance token for Shiba Inu's upcoming Layer 2 network Shibarium. Although we do not have the exact date yet for the launch, many anticipate that the upcoming Layer 2 will go live very soon. Crypto.com's Bone purchase also coincides with the exchange enabling Bone's deposits and withdrawals, and the exchange enabled deposits and withdrawals of Bone via its Chronos app. Crypto.com is just behind fellow Singapore-based exchange Mexi, which occupies the 9th spot among Bone holders. The top holder is an unidentified wallet that contains over 32.8 million Bone, valued at $40.4 million. That is a whale if I've ever seen one. So yes. The Mexi Global Exchange affiliated wallet Mexi.com 3 takes the second spot, which is up to 18.51 million Bone tokens valued at over 22.7 million. The exchange purchase does not seem to have had an effect on the SHIB offspring. The token is still down 21.3% on the weekly chart and 32.5% in the last 30 days. Bone is still 92.72% down from its all-time high of $15 that was on July 2021. And furthermore, the token's social engagement has drastically decreased according to Lunar Crush. Bone's social mentions have decreased by 19.5%, while engagement has decreased by 39.5%. And, that could be because of all the FUD that was going around with Shibarium, the code, and, Shitoshi himself. So, Hobbs, what do you think about, Crypto.com's Bone and, what the other exchanges as well, and also this wallet that's got a shit ton of Bone in it?
Here's the thing. In the grand scheme of things, the Shiba ecosystem is secure. It has what every other ecosystem wants, and that's community involvement. Yes, they had a lot of FUD, but they went through this before. They were built on the FUD, right? Eventually, what's going to happen, and this is just my personal opinion, but I feel like eventually everything's going to stabilize. Everything's going to go back to normal. And when this market turns bullish, the ecosystem's going to be launched. Shibarium has a clear-cut purpose for Bone. Crypto.com did not list them on accident. They listed them because they see that potential future. This particular wallet, not really worried about it, just means he owns a lot and he or she is ready for the smoke. So I'm looking forward to seeing where this goes, because I recently sold my position in Bone, but I really would like the FUD to continue so I can get another position just a little bit lower. But I don't know. I would love to hear you guys' thought on this situation. Please let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time myself and Justin go live or put out videos on the Clear Cryptos channel. My name is T. Hobbs. That guy is Jay Seals, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.